Shagun, as somebody who's been a professional sports person for so long, I'm not asking you this question personally, but just listening to what all of you have said, this does raise questions on A, whether this is healthy, whether it is sustainable. Do we need to have rules that are perhaps, geared to be a little more kind to women's bodies, or is this just how it works and we are just learning of some of these intricacies and revelations about different types of sport? I mean, what is your opinion on it? Can anything actually be done to make it less taxing, or is this just the nature of the beast?
Unfortunately, Rishika, you put it right. It's pretty much the nature of the beast. Because whether we hearing everybody, the way the women's anatomy is built, we are not, men tend to lose weight much faster and easier than we do because lean muscle or whatever you might call it. In shooting, we come in all shapes and sizes. So weight is not something that we have to kind of struggle with as long as we are fit. But listening to what happens on the, I remember when we for the Asian Games in Incheon, a couple of the boxers had gone for a bout, and at night, around 12, 1 o'clock at night, when we looked out of our balcony, they were actually running around with, layered up at least 5 times just to trying to sweat out and bring their body weight to a certain, which, I mean, it is taxing for sure, but I guess it's been going on for so many years that till the time,
But does that,
medically or somebody.
yeah, but I just want to ask you this very briefly before I bring Dr. Samuel back into the conversation. Does this then put questions on how long you can continue? मैं बाकियों के लिए भी ये सवाल एक बार हिंदी में पूछे. मेरा सवाल बड़ा सिंपल है कि क्या फिर ऐसा लगता है कि ये स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन की लाइफ बहुत शॉर्ट लिव्ड होती है, क्योंकि ऐसे एक्सट्रीम मेजर्स आप बहुत टाइम तक नहीं कर पाएंगे. ये सस्टेनेबल नहीं है. मतलब कि आप कितने भी सुपर वुमेन हो, बट ज़्यादा ड्यूरेशन के लिए इतने एक्सट्रीम मेजर्स नहीं सस्टेन कर पाएंगे. सो डज दैट मेक इट वेरी शॉर्ट टर्म देन, शगुन?
It seems like it because I mean, when I'm hearing that you can't eat for about 3-4 days and you haven't had a drop of water, then how do you go with all guns blazing into the bout with all your energy and all your mental faculties in place in order to deal with that?
Yes.
I mean, us it's unheard of because we have enough carbohydrates, we have enough hydration,
Very
we have
different
enough
when it comes to shooting.
when
Yes.
it comes to shooting or any other sport, it's tennis or any other sport.
Absolutely.
So boxing
Yes.
and the wrestling is something that where the weight has to be in check, but the means of how the weight is being in check is questionable.